Hey everybody, this is Giannis on Corsair. So now we are at Leesburg Cars and Coffee. And this is my good friend and old client of mine, Mike.
How's it going?
Mike is crazy obsessed about his S2000. You could probably trade it for a Lamborghini at this time, how much money he spent.
Yeah.
And so he just popped the hood, and really cool story about it is he had a different plastic piece on it that he put a Corsair Detail sticker on it because he was like, you know, representing our work, because we actually polished it like a couple of years ago. And the guy messaged me on Facebook. He's like, hey man, I just bought S2000. I just want to know about this car. And I was like, why are you asking me? He's like, well, because it's a sticker on it. And I'm looking at the pictures. I'm like, man, I only worked on one S2000. I was like, I don't know anything about it. Turns out the guy has bought an aftermarket piece with our sticker on it. You know, that's crazy.
Yeah, I sold it to him.
Yeah. So this is Leesburg local Honda Savage. Tell us more about your car, man. What is this thing?
So it's a 2003 S2000, so it's the AP1. It's fully customized, fully rebuilt motor, turbo garage setup. It's making 501 on the dyno, so it's about 462 to the wheels.
Wow.
Fully customized exhaust, interior, sound system, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah. How many times the engine was rebuilt?
Once.
Just once?
Yeah.
Oh, you had a different engine. Did you swap the engine as well or not?
Well, no. So when I bought it, I had 114,000.
Okay.
And then I got a new motor for it at 124,000.
Yeah.
So right now it has about 5,000 miles on the new motor.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. How many miles total?
On the body, there's 129.
129. Yeah. How do you drive 125,000 miles in this little thing?
Man, it's a lot of fun, man. It's a lot of fun.
It goes.
Yeah,
Really.
it's a rocket.
Yeah. Mike and I met. He's the best barber in town. And I've been cheating on you now because I'm in Tennessee, man. I know.
Man. Loyalty, man.
Literally, I was like, should I wear a hat or something? You know, I don't want you to see me like this. But yeah, check it out. So
Yeah.
we've been working on this car after it was repainted. So recently we actually carried out a 2-stage paint correction, the 5-year coating on all painted surfaces. We ceramic coated the wheels, took them off. We did light interior detail, and we also ceramic coated the glass. Yep. So this is the outcome, man.
Yeah. So the actual color of it is from a '97 Ferrari 488.
Yeah. I remember because you told me when it was about to get painted. You're like, Ferrari red. I was like, bring it on. You know. So even on freshly painted cars, it's still beneficial to get the polishing job done. You know. I think this is a 2-stage correction just to get rid of all those imperfections. And now, how easy is to clean it?
It's nothing.
Yeah.
Just wipe it down and it's good to go, man.
Yeah.
I actually cleaned it last night at 12 o'clock at night. I got in the garage, wiped it down, cleaned it, and made it up here.
Yeah, he always keeps his cars clean.
Yeah.
But yeah, here it is. Check it out, guys.
Yeah, man.